Welcome to our YouTube channel Local Teachers. మా మీద నమ్మకం పెట్టి మా ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకున్నందుకు అందరికీ ధన్యవాదాలు. టుడే వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు డిస్కస్ derivation of formula for curved mirror. So here this formula gives relation between focus, objective distance and image distance. Okay, so in order to derive the formula, we are keeping the object beyond the center of curvature in front of a concave mirror. So let us draw the diagram. So here it is a concave mirror. So consider here it is the principal axis. So find out this is focus and this is center of curvature. So beyond that we are considering an object. So this is an object. Just to draw the ray diagram. So from the top consider a incident parallel ray which is traveling in parallel with the principal axis. So after reflection it will passes through focus point. So here this is a reflection ray. Just I am writing this F here. Okay, consider another ray from the top of the object, so which is traveling through the center of curvature. So here, so interaction of these two reflecting rays is happened at this point. So here the image is formed. Here the image is formed. So here consider the object is A, B. So the parallel ray incident the concave mirror at point X. Okay, the ray incident ray which is traveling through center of curvature is incident the concave mirror at point Y. So these two reflected rays is meet at a common point. So where the image is formed, consider the image is A dash and B dash. Okay, so here it is a pole P. Just draw a perpendicular line from point X which meet the principal axis at a point. Consider that point is P dash. So just here we have drawn a perpendicular line from the point X which will meet the principal axis at point P dash. Okay, so here from this, so I am considering here, consider triangle ABC and triangle A dash B dash C are similar triangles. So which are we are saying similar triangles? So the corresponding angles are congruent and corresponding sides are proportionate. So that type of triangles are called similar triangles. So here triangle ABC and triangle A dash B dash C are similar triangles. So by that we can write here. So just for understanding, I will brought that triangle outside here. I will draw in a small size like this. Okay, so here A, B. So here it is A dash, B dash. So here the center is C. So here these are similar triangles. So I am writing here AC by AC by A dash C equals to equals to AC by A dash C equals to AB by A dash B. A dash B dash. So I can write here AC by A dash C equals to AB by AB by A dash B dash. So here consider this is equation 1. So next here, so next consider consider triangle X P dash F and triangle A dash B dash F are similar triangles similar triangles. So here from this also we can write here X P dash by AB equals to P dash F by A dash F. So consider equation 2. Okay. So in this here observe this X P dash. This X P dash is equals to AB. From figure we can directly conclude that this X P dash equals to AB. Therefore we can write here. Therefore we can write here so this is A dash B dash. Okay. So here we can write here AB by A dash B dash equals to P dash by F by A dash F. A dash F. So here, so consider this is equation 3. Equation 3. So here from equation 1 and 3 we can write we can write we can write AC by A dash C equals to P dash F by A dash F. So here consider this is equation number 4. Okay, here so I am drawing here the triangle for easy analysis. So this is X P dash. So that this is F and this is A dash and B dash. So see here XP by A dash B dash equals to PF by A dash F. So from this finally we got here equation 4. Equation 4 we got. So here from figure we can write here observe the figure. So this AC can be represented here. So here this is AC. Okay. So here consider paraxial paraxial lines which are paraxial lines are considered the point P dash coincides with P coincides with P. Therefore, equation 4 we can write here AC by A dash C equals to PF by A dash F. So this is equation number 5. So 5, here we got equation 5. Next, here so from figure we can write here from figure AC can be written as AC can be written as PA minus PC, and A dash C we can written as PC minus P A dash, and PF it can be represent, it is PF only because it is focal length F, focal length F. Next, AF can be written as here PA dash minus PF. So consider, so these are all equation 6. Okay, so here substitute this equation 6 values in equation 5. So that equation 5 can be written as by substituting this equation 6. Okay, so we can write here PA minus PC by PC minus P A dash equals to PF by PA dash minus PF. So that we can write. So here the equation 5 became like this. So consider this is equation 6. So here from figure, so here identify the distances. Okay, so here PA equals to, in the figure PA equals to, so that is the object distance that is from mirror, that is U. Next PC, so here PC, so that is nothing but here, so this is nothing but here radius of curvature, that is 2F. Next PA dash, so PA dash equals to image distance from mirror, that is V. Okay, next PF equals to focal length, so that is F. Next here, so all we find, just substitute these values in the ఈక్వేషన్. ఇప్పుడు ఒకసారి ఈక్వేషన్ లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి వాల్యూస్ అన్ని. ఏమవుతుంది చూడండి, పిఏ యు మైనస్ పిసి 2f by 2f minus PA dash, that is image distance, that equals to PF F by PA dash, so that is V minus F. So here we got this equation 7. Just cross multiply this equation, so we can write here u minus 2f into V minus F equals to F into 2F minus V. మల్టిప్లై చేయండి ఇప్పుడు, uv మైనస్ uf మైనస్ 2fv ప్లస్ 2f square, that equals to 2f square minus 2vf or fv, whatever you can write. So here this and this will get cancelled. So here we can write here uv minus uf, so this is minus fv and this is minus 2fv, so this we can write here minus fv equals to 0, equals to 0. So we can write here uv equals to, send these to right side, uf plus vf. Okay, so consider this is equation 8. This is equation 8. So here divide equation 8 both sides with u v f. Okay, so divide equation 8 both side with u v f. Therefore we can write uv by uv f equals to uf by uv f plus vf by uv f. So this we can write here 1 by f equals to 1 by v plus 1 by u. So this written as 1 by f equals to 1 by u plus 1 by v. So this formula is nothing but, it is called as mirror formula. So here, so this is the derivation of formula for curved mirror. So by this curved mirror formula, we will get the relation between focus object distance and image distance. So this is regarding derivation formula for curved mirror.